Hey, I teach middle school, and I have found that giving tickets is a great classroom management strategy. Inside this bucket are tickets, and students get tickets for answering questions. What do you think the noun is in this sentence? Great job. Wow, thank you for helping that student pick up the papers they dropped on the floor. Here's a ticket. I forgot to pick up the papers from the copier. Would you go get them for me? Here's a ticket. And then at the end of the month, I draw 2 names out of the envelope. And those 2 students get a prize. In the past, I've tried to give really cool prizes, but the kids aren't always that excited about the things that I think are cool. Then I discovered the fidgets. And let me introduce you to the person who inspired me to make them.
This is Beth from Twin 3D. And this is Beth making me coffee. That's so cute.
I know. I just did it. I was like, yeah.
So this was the one I handed out for last month's prizes. The kids like flipped. They thought they were so cool. And then this is a pickleball one. That's so cute. So here is Beth's studio. So fun. Beth creates YouTube videos at Twin 3D with her twin sister, and they make the coolest 3D prints. Check it out. The link is below.
Oh, poker chip's kind of
Yes.
perfect, right?
Okay, and those are heavy.
That one
It's
is.
heavier.
That one is. Yeah, I agree.
I like it.
I'm printing accessory packs, kind of like this,
Okay.
for the Dummy 13. That's what we're doing.
Oh, fun.
Sally and I, you can kind of tell here, Sally and I are filming tonight, and we're doing an episode on kit cards. So,
Whoa. Okay, that's
but it
cool.
all prints on a card holder. And it's kind of crazy.
This is
I
so
think it's
fun.
It was like a joke. Obviously.
I love it.
Oh,
And this was so fun to see.
Yeah.
I loved it.
And you
this
know
was
this
so cool.
because this is the same guy as the
Yep.
cactus.
And I saw this on the video.
know, cute.
It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. So show me a couple other of your fidgets that we've given out as prizes. He's so cute. Oh.
So, I mean, here's a bunch of rings.
Oh yes, we did the rings.
Colors.
These are super in right now with
Kind of-
my students.
Floppy little skeleton feet are fun.
What is this?
It's a
That is so
sushi
fun.
roll keychain, and you can
cool.
maybe like, I don't know, something tiny.
Cool. And you have a whole video of fidgets. So
We do.
I'll link that
this is
below.
fun.
Cool.
I think.
Oh yes. Oh, I could make that, right? I don't know. I'm
Yeah.
still new to this.
You just load it.
Okay.
And here's another flipping one, and it's peanut butter and jelly, and you just play with it.
They would love this.
Peanut butter
okay.
jelly.
I need to make this.
Yeah.
So Beth made these rings, and they're fidget rings. And my students were loving them, but they're kind of loud. Like in a quiet classroom, they do make noise. Like it makes noise. And the PE teacher at our school, he was telling the kids, like, you can't keep playing with these during class. And one of the kids kept playing with it, so he confiscated it for the class that day. And then the next day, he was like, do you have any more of those rings? Because I want one. So now he does his ring, and I also gave him one of those flips, like the Cheez-It ones. So it was kind of funny because the teachers are confiscating them and then wanting their own after they play with it. So thanks for inspiring me, Beth, with these fidgets because they are great prizes. This year, I'm also teaching a 9th grade English class. And when the students volunteer to read, they get a ticket. And then when we're finished reading Julius Caesar, the winner of the ticket drawing gets this. And it's a pencil holder. Because if you didn't know, he gets stabbed a bunch of times by his friends. Oh, and it is also 3D printed. And it's glow in the dark. I didn't mean to print it glow in the dark, but it did.
Ooh.
The ticket system. You should try it. Sometimes I just enjoy weirding my students out with being really creepy.